this is another great update that I'm bringing to you guys again. One of these USDA is equivalent to 1 USDT. I hope you wouldn't want to miss this update. Okay, so this is the season 1. It better you key in now so that you join others to farm the season 1, because in few weeks time the season 1 will come to an end. Maybe the season 2 will kick in, who knows. So now that it's still fresh, this is just fresh update and bring it to your way. Now use the link in the comment section on the description of this video and sign up. Don't postpone, don't say tomorrow. So I'll show you the number I've been able to mine so far. Okay, so if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. I love you guys. I love your support. You guys are too much. New to this channel, all right, you're also welcome. If you're new to the channel, you're also welcome. This is one family. This is where we share vital information about cryptocurrency, airdrops, mining, and the rest of it. Okay, subscribe, comment, like. I love your support. If I have any challenge while signing up, drop the question immediately in the comment section. I'm always there to attend to all the questions. If I have any challenge, drop it there. Don't hesitate. Okay, let's continue. Now this is if you look at where you have connect your X, remember X means Twitter. Okay, where you have, I've connected my, that's why I'm showing my picture there. Where you have X, connect your account, your X Twitter account there. Then this is where you get your referral link. Okay, now these are people in the leaderboard. See the amount I've been able to accumulate so far. So look at people that have accumulated. Look at these guys. Oh Jesus, these guys are really families in back to back, though they have a large community. Okay, now that is it. Look at them, leaderboard. Look at them. So this, see me here. All right, good. So one of this token is equivalent to 1 USDT. Okay, now so this is the season 1 of this project. Okay, so I believe after the season 1, season 2 is also coming. Let's check out their X handle or their Twitter handle and see what they have for us there. So that one thing you should be clear, we are building with the community. Got something in mind. If you look at here, we have over 1 million of the USDA. Remember, 1 USDA is equivalent to 1 USDT. Are you getting it? Good. So how do you farm it? Share a referral link, come to the Twitter handle here, interact, just run the tags. I've done all my tags. Interact with the site. You'll be given some points. Interact with the site. You ask to claim, and you click on claim your token. I've claimed all these things before. You see, I've claimed this one. Your point will keep increasing. Are you getting it? Good. Your point to keep increasing. So don't sleep over it. 1.2 million USDA. So join the moving trade before it's too late. All right, thank you so much. Bye.